My name is Andrew Chai. I'm a bike trials rider. I've been riding for about 18 years, and trials, best way to describe trials, it's like parkour on two wheels. With the resources online, YouTube has been amazing, Facebook, Instagram, you'll be able to follow trials riders. YouTube in particular, I think there are quite a lot of trials tutorials now. So very basic moves, like just things like balancing on a bike, which is probably the first thing you want to learn anyway. And if you could pick up little moves like that just by yourself, that will probably be the quickest. And you don't need a trials bike, you can do this on any bike. So these are really basic bike control skills. I wouldn't even say they're trials skills. It's just like being able to balance on two wheels without moving, being able to rock a bike back and forth and things like that. They can be done on any bike that you're comfortable with. You don't need a trial specific one. If you find that you're struggling with the YouTube section, or you're struggling trying to do that by yourself, then you could think about going to a local trials academy. They have facilities for you to borrow a trial-specific bike for the day. You don't need to buy one, you just need to hire it for the day. Try out a few things, see if you like it. How I started was with a local community, really. So people getting grouped together, 4 or 5 of you who could be interested in starting, and all starting at roughly the same time. And that to me was great. You can gauge each other, push each other around, try and get better, compete with each other friendlily, of course.